Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, privacy glass. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.